G'day guys, it's Paul here, and as you can see we're in a different van. What we're doing today for the customer is they've come in and asked us, hey, we want some recliners. The cafe seat lounge is not working for them, they don't find it comfortable, so they've asked us to reconfigure this arrangement with recliners. So basically we will pull this apart, move the table, remove the whole table, and right along this wall we will have a bench that's will cover the wheel box, and we will also have a trifold table that will come out with their recliners. A lot of you customers that have inquired, a lot of them have asked, hey, I've got equipment under the cafe lounge, or even an L-shaped lounge, so we do it in all sorts of configurations. And in this particular one, they've got a charging system that's under there. We've had hot water systems and so forth. We can look at all that and move that to different locations. But just a quick look under here. So this will get all stripped out. And they've got some pipes, a little projector charging system that's under there. So that will get removed and replaced and put into its new location. The cupboard will be replaced with the same sort of cupboards, and the bench top as well. The floors pretty much stay the same. Any markings get fixed. I think it's a great upgrade. If you'd like to know a bit more about it, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Phone number's 0466 935 487. Come in and have a chat. We're at 67 Link Drive in Camberfield. G'day guys, it's Paul here, and I'm lucky to have Marg with us today. You gave us a call a while back.
Yeah, I think we did some research on the internet, and we were looking for someone who could actually change the dinette seating, which we always found to be really uncomfortable. Even though we had things that you can put your legs up, it just wasn't really comfortable. It was very hard to see the TV for whoever was sitting here. So we decided that we really needed to change it to a couple of recliners. And then we saw your videos on the internet, and we just went, you're the man.
Gave us a call.
Yeah, so we gave you a call and we came out, and they've done an absolutely fantastic job. We couldn't be happier. We're now really comfortable. The finish, everything that they've done is just brilliant. So we strongly recommend them. If you're thinking of doing this, I'd go ahead and do it. Makes all the difference.
You've heard it from one of our customers. Yeah, it did come up really well. We matched the colours.
Yes, yeah, everything's matched.
Splashbacks.
Yep.
And the recliners are really comfortable as well.
They are comfortable.
You have the option of purchasing them yourself, or we can provide them for you. They're the same ones, or you can provide your own if you've got your own recliners.
Yeah, size is important though on the recliner.
Yeah, you don't want to go too big.
Yeah, we got these at Harvey Norman, and they're pretty happy with them. They're very comfortable.
Yeah. And the process went really smooth.
Absolutely. Yeah. No problems at all.
So if they want to know a bit more, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My phone number's 0466 935 487. Or if you'd like to have a chat with Marg.
Happy to chat to anyone.
Yeah, there you go. I can pass the number on and
yeah, you sure can.
Get some information. Again, give us a call. Happy to have a chat. Love to see you down here. If you're looking to get some recliners put in, add some extra bench space, add some extra cupboards as well.
The bench space and the cupboards is just an absolute bonus, because we're already planning how, things that we can put here that we were squashed up over here. Well, now we'll have room.
You're going to put fake flowers. You said flowers. No.
So, the bench space is fabulous. The cupboards too, fantastic. So it's awesome. Mm-hmm.
No, really appreciate you. Really appreciate you doing the video for us. Thanks, guys. Give us a buzz. Come and see us. We're at 67 Link Drive in Camberfield. Cheers. Bye-bye.